Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to do a short video on how to use the Microsoft Store. You can either see where it says type here to search. You can either type in Microsoft Store right there, or you can go look for it in your list of programs right here. You just left click on the little start button there, or you might actually just have a shortcut to it right here. It's the shopping bag with the Windows icon in the middle, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open that up and you're going to find something you want. And let's just say for today that I want Netflix. So you're going to click on Netflix and then you're going to click on Get. And it's going to ask you for your Microsoft account info. So I don't remember my password because I let Dashlane keep track of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Dashlane, find out what my password is, and I'm going to enter it in, and then I'm going to cut that part out of the video. So here I go. Okay, so I've entered my password in here after going to Dashlane and finding it, and then all I got to do is click sign in, and then it lets me into my Microsoft account, and it lets me into the store. Now I basically, as long as I'm logged in, I can just download whatever, and it just proceeds to download Netflix and install it on my system. And I can click launch right there if I want, and there is good old Netflix. So that is basically how you use the Windows Store. It can be very handy. Nowadays, if you want to download and install iTunes, that's basically where you get it. You want to make sure your computer is up to date so that you're able to use the Windows Store. And really all I have to do now is sign in to Netflix with my Netflix credentials, and I'm into Netflix. I hope everybody found that video to be helpful, and if so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in Memphis, Collierville, Cordova, Germantown, or Midtown area is in need of in-home computer repair, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.